So today we are going to explain how to interface digital to analog converter to 8051 microcontroller. The procedure which is seen in the LCD and stepper motor, the same procedure here also you need to follow. Double click on your key, create a project, select your Philips IC and type your program, add your program. Here is the added program, that is sawtooth generating and sawtooth positive ramp on the DAC IC. So here is loading a 0 to the accumulator, sending to the P0, increment HJMP back until FF it will reach, and again the same thing will be repeated continuously. So this is the example of positive ramp. So now the same, right click on the target, option for the target, go to output, give a executable file, DAC interfacing, create Xfile checkbox, you need to do a tick mark, click OK, do compile or build target. So 0 error and the Xfile is generated on DAC interfacing. Now minimize this, open a Flash Magic. Now I want to transfer my Xfile to a DAC interfacing and browse your, so set COM1 9600, select your IC, frequency 11.0592 MHz and browse your Xfile, that is DAC interfacing which just now created, select. And before start, just connect your microcontroller board, the same connection through serial communication cable, connect serial communication cable to this slot and power supply for this, put a jumper on the JP1, press reset before transferring your Xfile to the board and click start, and it will erase the previous and program and it will do finish. It will take a few seconds to transfer your DAC interfacing Xfile into the microcontroller board. Now after that, take your peripheral, that is DAC interfacing kit. So here in your theory you have seen that analog digital to analog will convert it through operational amplifier and the ADC 0808 IC. It is an 8-bit DAC IC. Here dual DAC is there, so we are using only one IC from out of two. You can use both ICs to convert, and also op amp is there. Connection is concerned, you need to connect a power supply for this. Previous two interfacing experiment you are connected +5 volts and ground. For this interfacing kit you need to connect 4 supplies, +5 volts and common for your ADC, DAC IC, and plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts for op amp. So here is the color code and the connection of a power supply. Blue is connected to the +5 volts, black is connected to the common, plus 12 volts, that is red, and green is connected to the minus 12 volts. In this way you need to connect all 4 cable to the all corresponding 4 power supplies, and then you need to again use a flat cable and connect your flat cable to your DAC interfacing kit. Then you need to take a CRO and connect your probe. Here is the 3 output wires are there. You can use a 2 port to transfer your digital data to a DAC. So port 0 and port 1 you can use. Here is the 3 lines or 3 cables are there. This is port 1 and this red line is port 0 and middle one is the ground common. Either port 0 or port 1 you can use. Now I have used in our program is port 0. So I connected port 0 positive cable of your CRO to the port 0 and middle one is ground. In that way you can get the output and connect that to the CRO. Now I have already loaded my program or Xfile to the IC. Now I will remove the jumper and press reset. So you will get an positive ramp on the CRO. So this is an output of positive ramp. Just quickly I will modify the program and you can observe the thing. So instead of ramp I could generate another program, that is square wave. So this is a square wave, 0 send P0. I could use both the ports and FF. With a small amount of delay I am generating a square wave. Same, add the file, do a build target and Xfile is generated. Go to Flash Magic. Before transferring your code, put the jumper and press reset and browse your hex file. The same name I have generated hex file, and start transferring your code. This is a square wave program. Now I am transferring. It will take 2 seconds. Then after, you remove the jumper and press reset. So now you are getting a square wave output from digital to analog. So like that you can generate any kind of a wave, just modifying the program and transferring it. Thank you.